Today's lesson is some history. A tale brought on by recent reports of spilling Mother Nature's black blood out from the earth. A trip through some of the worst, but I'll leave you with a question to ponder first. Why do we still drill? Gulf War, Kuwait, 1991, caused by Iraqi soldiers and their escape. Slow down the Americans, they did say, as they ran away with valves open wide. More than 200 million gallons flowed from inside into the Persian Gulf, one of the worst to date. How many millions recovered? 58. Nova Scotia, 1998, 130,000 tons spilled, then were set aflame in the wreck, and most of it was burned, so we couldn't get it back. It wasn't much of an odyssey. An explosion brought the Haven to its knees, spilling oil along the surface and deep into the seas. Oil from this wreck sank to beds down 500 meters deep. How much of it burned? About 70%. Why do we still drill when all we can do is spill? Bad weather off the coast of France cost the Amico Cadiz its chance to keep sailing the ocean blue that day in '78. It ran aground and split in two, spilling away on 1.6 million barrels of crude. The Gulf of Mexico is plagued to this day by oil spills and rig fires making for dark days. And now with the plans for the Keystone XL in place, we forget about the routine maintenance that is needed to keep the existing pipelines from leaking and spilling out into the lands and dropping our tax money and income into big oil's hands. And if you don't understand my logic, look at the tar sands. And they get a tax break if the right kind of oil gets spilled. One more tale of disaster. Most think I'm too young, but the Exxon Valdez is what I'm talking about. When a third mate covering a drunk captain didn't steer quick, and it almost ended up costing them the ship, yet they managed to refit it and send it on its way. And guess what? It still hauls oil to this day, but it's banned from the Strait of Prince George. Now both Gulf Wars saw spills, and did most of the major wars today, and now we spill more because someone somewhere decided that a barrel of oil was worth more than a human life. Born of this earth, but still someone behind a desk will send them to a war that we can't even justify fighting anymore. Aside from hunting down these warlords so they can be indicted, tried, and set free on appeals, because when big oil's greasing palms, why argue it still? Because these concerns need to be given real attention and not thoughtless deflection. And although it seems pointless to mention, we need to have a fossil fuel intervention. So will we be able to go with no more spills? Those are some big fucking shoes to fill. Especially with so many spills this year for some stupid mistakes. I'd rather see a hurricane or a bad earthquake than something that came as a result of a mistake that we made. So in closing, think back to my question. Maybe this will help you decide. Why do we still drill? Why do we still drill when all it does is kill?